Hello everyone! Annyeonghaseyo, my name is Miles Lee and for today's lesson ay pagtiyagaan niyo po muna sana ang aking boses dahil tayo ay tinamaan ng virus but thank God it's not coronavirus kaya wag po kayong mag-alala. But tuloy pa rin po ang ating lesson and our title for today is 요즘 날씨가 좀 추워요. So, very timely dahil ngayon po ay fall season, malapit na mag-winter at medyo malamig na nga po sa Korea kaya nga tinamaan tayo ng sipon. So, the grammar expression that we're going to look at will be piyup bulkyukchik or the irregular piyup and also the ji-anta which is used to express negation. And we are going to try making negative statements. Let us start right away and let us have this dialogue of 박민수 and Rita. Rita 씨, 요즘 날씨가 좀 추워요. 추워요? 저는 춥지 않아요. 리타 씨는 지금 안 추워요? 네, 제 고향 겨울 날씨가 더 추워요. One more time. 리타 씨, 요즘 날씨가 좀 추워요. 추워요? 저는 춥지 않아요. 리타 씨는 지금 안 추워요? 네, 제 고향 겨울 날씨가 더 추워요. Let us now improve our vocabulary and understand the conversation between 박민수 and Rita. So 박민수 said, Rita 씨, 요즘 날씨가 좀 추워요. So 요즘 here means these days, 날씨 means weather, 좀 means a little, and 추워요 means cold. So 좀 추워요 is a little cold. So 박민수 said, these days the weather is a little cold. And then Rita answered, 추워요? It's cold? 마lamig? 저는 춥지 않아요. I don't feel that cold. Hindi ako nilalamig. So 박민수 answered, Rita 씨는 지금 안 추워요? Hindi ka nilalamig, Rita? Rita, you're not feeling cold? And Rita said, 네. Yes, I'm not feeling cold. 제 고향 겨울 날씨가 더 추워요. 고향 here is hometown. 겨울 is winter. 더 추워요 means colder. So Rita said, it's colder in my hometown, or the winter in my hometown is colder. So that's why Rita is not feeling cold, because this is a conversation of 박민수 and Rita in Korea. So again, these are some words from the conversation. 요즘, these days. 날씨, weather. 좀 추워요, a little cold. 지금, now. 고향, hometown. 안 추워요, not cold. 더 추워요, colder. 겨울, winter. Now we have words related to weather, like the last time, but now they have something to do with temperature, the high and low temperature. So when we say 영상, it's above freezing. 영상. And 영상 can also mean a picture or an image. That's why we say 동영상, like a video. So next is the temperature is high. 기온이 높다. 기온이 높다. Or we say 기온이 높아요. 기온이 높아요. Then below freezing, the opposite of 영상 is 영하. 영하. Next, the temperature is low. 기온이 낮다. 기온이 낮아요. 기온이 낮아요. To be warm is to say 따뜻하다 or 따뜻해요. 따뜻해요. Next, we have to be hot, or it means hot. 덥다. 덥다. And we say 더워요. 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 It's hot. And if you would like to say it's cool, we will say 시원하다. 시원하다. And we change that to 시원해요. 시원해요. And the last we have cold, or to be cold. We say 춥다. 춥다. And of course, change that to yo form. We say 추워요. 추워요. Let us now discuss about the grammar point. We have the piup bulkyukchik or the piup irregular. So these are irregular verbs or adjectives because they don't follow the regular rule for conjugation. So from the conversation, we have 춥다, 춥다, and we change that to 추워요, 추워요. Now it says here that for some verb or adjective stems that end with piup, the piup changes to the irregular form o or u when it is attached to an ending. You can see from the example here that 덥다 became to oyo plus the oyo form, and that is not the final or the result of the conjugation because we need to add the u. So it will be 더워요. And for 덥다, it will be 토아요, but the final form will be 토와요, and we add the o to the ayo. Very complicated naman. And that is true, dahil nga po sila ay bulkyukchik or irregular. So, ibig sabihin, irregular din po yung rule. So, minsan magiging woyo, minsan magiging wayo. So, very complicated. So, ano po ang ating gagawin para mas mapadali? So, kagaya po sa English, kapag po may mga irregular form, yung mga verbs, di ba mine-memorize po natin? Like when we study about irregular verbs in English, right? Our teachers told us to memorize the irregular verbs. And so, when we learn about this piup bulkyukchik, the topta, chupta, and other verbs with piup, then it is helpful for us to memorize. So, para po sa akin, mas naging madali na matandaan ko yung mga yo form at yung iba pang form or conjugation sa pamamagitan po ng pag-memorize ng mga irregular form. Dahil dyan, idagdag na po natin ito sa ating mga i-memorize. 맵다, 맵다, 매워요. 덥다, 덥다, 더워요. 무겁다, 무겁다, 무거워요. 가볍다, 가볍다, 가벼워요. 아름답다, 아름답다, 아름다워요. Pero syempre, may exempted sa mga iyan. Kapag nakita po natin ang ipta, when we see ipta, we change this to the regular form iboyo, iboyo, chapta, chabayo, chabayo. Dahil sila po ay mga regular verb. Dumako na po tayo sa G-anta. Let us have G-anta now. This is attached to verb and adjectives to negate an action or state expressed by the verb or adjective. Simply, when we mean is not or does not, we use G-anta. If you remember the an, like for example, an kayo, we say, I don't go. Using an is the short form of negation to mean is not or does not. And this is the longest form, G-anta. So in Tagalog, we simply mean hindi. So like for example, oda, to come. And so we are going to drop the da and then just attach G-anta, so it will be oji-anta. And to use this in a conversation, we say oji-anayo. Oji-anayo. He is not coming. He will not come. Or he does not come. In Tagalog, we say hindi dadating. Our next example is mokta, to eat. Mokta, drop the da, attach G-anta. It will be mokji-anta. Change to your form, mokji-anayo. For example, mga kapatid, I'm not eating raw fish, yung hue na tinatawag nila. So I can say, 저는 회를 먹지 않아요. 저는 회를 먹지 않아요. I don't eat raw fish. So in that case, I have used 먹지 않아요 to mean don't. Let us have some conversation. 날씨가 따뜻해요? Is the weather warm? 아니요. 날씨가 따뜻하지 않아요. No, the weather is not warm. So here, we have that 따뜻하지 않아요. Next, 지금 비가 와요? Is it raining now? 아니요. 비가 오지 않아요. No, it isn't raining. And that's the end of our lesson. Kung kayo po ay nakarating sa part na ito, ay huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-comment ang inyong sentence by completing the conversation above. Please look at the picture and kindly answer. 오늘 날씨가 따뜻해요? Please answer and comment down your sentence using G 않아요. Marami pong salamat. Till next time!